Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve investment awareness with Investor.gov. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Investor.gov website. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage. Look for the navigation menu at the top of the page. Click on the Educational Resources tab. Explore the range of resources available for beginner and advanced investors. Consider checking out the Investment Basics section for foundational knowledge. Read through various articles that cover essential investment concepts. Next, explore the Tools and Calculators section. Find tools that help you assess your investment options and make informed decisions. Consider using the Investment Risk Quiz to evaluate your risk tolerance. Now, navigate to the Frauds and Scams section. Educate yourself about common investment scams and how to avoid them. Look for the Ask a Question feature for personalized guidance. Type in your investment-related questions to receive expert insights. Join the mailing list to stay updated with the latest investment information. Check the Events section for upcoming webinars or workshops. Engage with these resources to deepen your understanding of investing. Utilize the information gained to make more informed investment choices. Refer back to Investor.gov regularly to stay informed and updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.